Jared, look at the hamster.
Smaller, okay? Huh? Our hamster's way smaller. It must be a teddy
Say
bear.
hi.
So yes, I love the teddy bear hamsters. They're the best.
Say,
That one's cute though. It's all
say
big
bye, hamster.
and flat.
Bye, hamster.
Want me to put it back in? Want me to put her back in? Look, I'll help you.
Oh, easy, easy.
That's her food. Do you want to hold her?
I think he's like, I don't know.
Do you want to hold her?
Oh, spicy.
You want to pet her?
Oh,
Okay. Here you go.
What's it, Fred?
Pet her, soft. Pet. Pet.
I think he's just unsure, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can pick her up. Pick her up. Pick her up.
Woo!
You want to pick her up? Do you want to hold her?
All right, Jared, come on, hold her.
Oh, good job. Hold her. See? She's nice. She's nice.
Must give him the willies.
Do you want to
Oh, he's
hold
gonna
her?
lay down.
Do you want to hold her?
Watch, put it
On
on.
your belly? Oh, she's on your belly.
Things are so weird.
Look, yeah, look. Do you want me to put her on your back? Do you want me to put her on your back? Lay down.
Oh, there it goes.
Let's put her on your belly. Ready? Hi, Sophie. Did she tickle you?
Okay, that was the moment. If he could say, oh shit, he would. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Babe.
Pet her.
Be nice, nice, gentle, gentle,
Nice.
gentle, gentle. Okay, you wanna her to go on your tummy?
You can fling her off
Are
when
you
you
ready?
ready?
Okay. Nice. Hold on to her. Hold on to her.
You go, not my mom.
Hold on to her.
Yes.
There you go. Good job.
That was funny.
Careful.
Easy, easy,
Nice, nice, nice.
easy, easy.
Oh, careful.